What do you test positive for? You said everything?
I heard
Everything.
lots of stuff.
Yeah, bunch, a lot of stuff.
Test positive for.
Mr. Galindo.
Uh,
Being so
Yep. You said everything. And that's right.
Whew, guys, things get heated fast in this courtroom as a judge confronts defendants over failed drug tests, missed court dates, and excuses that just keep piling up. From brutal reality checks to shocking consequences, this kind of courtroom drama you can't look away from. Subscribe to Daily Courtroom Drama for daily uploads. Now let's jump into it.
No. This way. We don't want you by the prosecutors. What are you doing with yourself these days?
Been looking for a job, but they don't want to hire me. But not really.
Tell me, what is the last time what have you done to look for a job?
What have I done?
Yes.
I went to the internet. I told my sister to go through the stuff. They always hire pipe fitters.
Why you tell your sister to do it?
I mean, he's not good at that.
I don't think he really understands.
You need to learn how to use a computer.
They told me, and then I went to a friend of mine. Well, she's not really my friend, but she told me she could try to help me out cooking wings. That was my last resort.
Go there and ask them for an application and apply. Why haven't you done that? We've set this case off for 3 different times now. What have you been doing with yourself all day, every day? If I drug test you now, what's going to show up?
I came out clean already, shit.
I'm sending you right now. You've got me concerned the way you're acting right now, Mr. Galindo. I'm sending you for a drug test. You must come right back. If you fail to go take a drug test, you take off from me. I'm going to make your bond extremely high. Do you understand? Take a seat.
Man, that dude already looks like he's tweaking or something. He cannot sit still. This is going to turn out bad. I know it.
Come up.
Step forward.
What? No. For real? What do you test positive for? You said everything?
I heard
Everything.
lots of stuff.
Yeah, bunch, a lot of stuff.
Test positive for.
Mr. Galindo. Being so
Yep. You said everything. And that's right.
It's been a hard. It's a hard year. It was a hard year. I got out of jail in February. I lost my grandma. They're trying to sell the house. That's why they put cases on me. They offered me 30,000. I didn't take them because where am I gonna live? So I don't know. It's been a hard year, man.
But it's really not though. It's mind over matter, Mr. Galindo. Mind over matter. You should be able to overcome these things and not have to always turn into dope. You know, when you have issues, if you're stressed out, if you're having a bad time in life, running to dope, that's not the way. You find another outlet like working out, running, boxing, playing anything is better than doing this. You can
Way better.
look at you now, man. I could tell the moment you came up here, I knew something was up. You know what I have to do now, right? What do I got to do now?
Dude, I don't know.
What?
I don't know.
You staying with me?
What is it?
You staying with me?
Where? Oh,
Jail.
jail? Well, I don't care about no jail. I lost my grandma. I don't care about no jail.
Mr. Galindo,
Why?
I don't.
Relax.
You should.
I don't, sir. I lost my grandma. I'm telling you, trying to tell the house. I ain't really care.
Who else do you
I
have in your
just
life?
think- I got my sister.
Well, then that's something to
I
work
got my sister straight
on,
up.
isn't it?
Yeah, but I don't really care about the jail. I lost my grandma. So. Any other shit is irrelevant. Irrelevant.
Do you think that your sister would be proud right now?
I already told her. She's mad.
Right.
Well, she
And
is.
she should be, because that's next time when you're in this, you think of your sister. Hey, if I do this, would my sister be proud of me? Would she be upset? That's what you need to think about.
Yeah, it was too much for me. Can I go now?
Take you now. Hey, I'm gonna wish you good luck on the next 2 to 3 days because coming down. So good
Alright.
luck, Mr. Galindo. Christopher McIntyre. Mr. McIntyre, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present if you cannot afford one. One will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge. On October 5th, 2024, officers met Webster PD and a witness following a possible DWI at 14835 Sun Harbor Drive in Harris County, Texas. The officer observed the defendant, the driver of the vehicle, pull into a garage off a public roadway. The officer made contact with the defendant and observed a strong odor of an alcoholic beverage. The defendant, unable to follow instructions, red glossy eyes, slurred speech, stumbling while walking, and poor balance. Standard field sobriety tests were refused. The defendant was read the DIC and refused breath and blood. The will witness stated she witnessed the defendant fall off a motorcycle twice, and the defendant was swaying and unable to maintain balance while trying to pick the motorcycle up. The will witness stated they went through.
He's on a motorcycle, driving it, and he falls off the motorcycle twice?
Yes, Your Honor. And the will witness stated that they went through 2 red light cycles as well before the defendant drove off. The wheel witness followed with hazard lights on, driving 70 miles per hour in a 35-mile-per-hour zone to stay within eye contact of the defendant, and was on the phone with 911 the entire time. A blood search warrant was obtained and executed.
I see that he had a prior DWI dismissed about a year and a half ago. What else? Alex, what other criminal history do you see? Anything?
No other besides that dismissed DWI.
I'm gonna find probable cause, but I'm debating whether to put an interlock on him. That has me pretty worried, Mr. Legrand. You know? Mr. McIntyre, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. For the time being, I'm ordering you not to drive any vehicle that doesn't have an ignition interlock on it. If you're caught driving a vehicle that doesn't have an interlock, I'm going to put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. If I find that I can trust you and that you're not going to consume, then we can talk about taking it off. But for the time being, I mean, this is really scary, man. You're on a motorcycle and, you know, God forbid something happens that you tear your head up, you know, really. I'll pay for it for you so that there'll be no issues for you. But for the time being, no alcohol. If I find that you're using, and I don't care what the source is, cakes, candies, foods, gums, energy drinks, tequila, lollipop, paradigm, whatever it is, we will not give you any more PR bonds. Do you understand?
Sir.
Okay.
Man, that's wild. Operating a motorcycle while that intoxicated. I've gone around the block only a couple times, so I'm not super experienced with motorcycles, but I can only imagine how ridiculous it would be to manage one while drinking that much. Goodness.
What do you do for a living, sir?
Manager of IT.
Of what?
I'm manager of technical services for Blood.
Okay.
IT judge.
Got it. All right. You've got a great lawyer. Listen to him. He will take care of you. I will waive your appearance because you have a lawyer, but you must stay in touch with Mr. Legrand, and he will tell you if and when you have to come back to court. If he tells me he can't get a hold of you, then likewise, I will revoke your bond. Be careful out there. You have but one life. And on a motorcycle, it's, you know, my wife is a nurse and she calls it kidneys on wheels because so many accidents and you get into one. I mean, really. Okay. I'll have you sign a reset with Victoria. After that, I'll have you with pretrial. So we'll have you sign the bond conditions. And after that, you'll be free to go.
Judge, can we go ahead and at request of permission to travel? He does have a trip coming up, and I
Yes.
don't know if you are doing call-ins or not.
We do for the time being,
Okay.
you know.
He's going to Japan with his wife. They're getting married. That's their wedding trip. And
Okay.
it's one of the
When are you
days.
going? And
10th to the 24th of
November.
November.
November
I
10th.
will allow you to go, but understand you're still under bond condition of this court. I don't care if you're in Abu Dhabi, wherever you are. You're not allowed to consume alcohol or illegal drugs, and you're going to get tested the minute you arrive back. So beware. No means no, and I don't care where you are. Okay? All right. Please. So we'll let Ms. Legrand, we'll let them know now so that he's not going to get called between those dates. Okay?
perfect.
All right.
Thank you.
Man, that's pretty sweet of him letting him take his what is that, wedding in Japan. That's really cool while on probation. I'm shocked that a judge actually allowed for that to happen. If you want to see more drama like this, make sure to like and subscribe to Daily Courtroom Drama, where we upload twice a day, and I'll see you on the next one.